Okay, y'all. So I got the battery. It only required one AAA battery. I got the battery in. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you that it works fine. It works well. I was a little scared at first because it said it could not identify it. So I got all this stuff over here, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the screen here. Let me adjust. Let's see. It's a little glare on the screen. If you can see me typing in the numbers, so it does work fine. The backspace works fine. Everything works well. Okay, so that's good. So working well. All right. I don't know if y'all can see it typing, but that's exactly what I needed. Okay, now I'm good to go for next week for school. Typing in grades. I hope y'all can see it, but it works well with the MacBook Air.